Hey pumpkins, welcome back to my video. In today's video, we're going to be doing some nail stickers and some rhinestones. In the last video I did, I had nail decals. So this time, I'm going to test out these nail stickers and give you a review on them. First, I am going to show you the products I use. So in today's video, the nail stickers I use are here. I think it's Juyu nails. And basically, it's in Chinese writing, Asian writing. I'm not too sure the language. But so I couldn't really read it. But on the front, it says that you don't have to have polish on top of them. Now, they're just stickers, no dry time, and all that. Now, because I'm doing acrylic nails, it works out a little differently. So here are the stickers. Here are the stickers. I got a little gel on them. But here are the stickers. Now, I noticed when I put the stickers on, they do have, because it's not a natural nail, and I'm working with acrylics, they do buckle. I'm pretty sure you can't see it, but it does buckle, and it does not fit the whole nail. So I had to use this Color Club black striping nail polish just to go around the perimeter of my nails. Also my rhinestones, even though these are not the ones I use, but I use Swarovski crystals, and I got these from Michael's. I also use these pearls. Actually, I was going to incorporate the little ones, but I just did the big pearl in the middle and the green rhinestones all the way around it. And I used two types of colors. I did the lighter green and a darker green. All right. So because I don't want this to lift, I'm going to actually be using some IBD gel on top of it, because I can tell that if I don't, it will definitely peel. So let's get started. So you want to go ahead and pick a sticker from off your sheet. And you kind of want to do it the size of the nail. So I'm going to use this one for this finger. And you got to be kind of careful when you lift it up, because it will stick to itself if you're not careful. So you definitely have to be a little fragile with it. See, I don't know if you can tell, it already folded right there. It already folded. So you definitely want to be careful. You want to go ahead and put it like right at that cuticle area. I hope I'm in frame, guys. But you want to stick it right at the cuticle area. And then you want to just press down around the nail and keep working it up, trying to eliminate as best as possible any buckling or bubbles in the nail. So then you want to take your file and go ahead underneath the nail and file the excess sticker off. Like so. So yeah. And then what you want to do after you get the perfect, when you get it on perfect, Then you want to take your black polish, and you see how I have some white on the side. You want to take your striper brush, and you want to go around that area with your striper brush where any white is remaining. So yes, that's how it's done. And as you can see, it still has some of the sticker still left. So you want to make sure you get all that sticker off, the access sticker anyway off. And then I'm just going to add some black polish around the edge, just where I filed my nails. And then you want to take your cleanup brush and get around any areas of the skin where you might have got an excess polish on. And yeah, that's pretty much how you get the sticker on your nail. It's easy, very convenient. I do like that, but I just feel like the product is not going to last long because there's stickers, and like I said, it's buckling a little bit. I just don't feel like it's going to last long. It's something quick and easy that you can do just to run out the door. So I'm going to go ahead and put my pearl on my nail. So I wish I would have probably used a green glitter, but I used one of my favorite glitters from Color Club. Unfortunately, I do not know the name or number of this particular polish, but it's a really, really pretty holographic glitter. But I wish I would have used green, but on here you can't even tell, to be honest, you can't even tell it's blue underneath there unless you look at like the sides. But when you're looking straight down, you can't see any of that. So you want to take your acrylic. You want to take your acrylic and your monomer. And you just want to put a dab of acrylic on top of the nail polish, just so that you can get that pearl to stay. Because it's so big, I wouldn't use just gel polish. I would definitely use acrylic to make that stay on there. I know my fingers are a mess from touching, you know, the nail polish and the edges, trying to get the stickers to adhere properly. But that's how you do it. You let that dry for a few seconds. And let me clean this area up so we don't make any spills, because we don't want to waste any product. So then you want to take your IBD gel and go ahead and put your rhinestones on. Some of my rhinestones fell out of the container, so I'm going to put those back in. And you want to take your IBD gel, pick up a good amount. It's very, very sticky, as you can guys see. Go ahead and apply the IBD gel around the nail. And then after you do that, you want to go ahead and start applying your rhinestones on the nails. So we're going to do the smaller ones and back. And then we're going to start with the larger ones. Actually, I'm going to put that one right there. I hope I'm staying in frame, guys. I apologize if I'm not. But we're going to start putting those on the nail. This would be a cute little design if you're an AKA. For sure, you have your pink and green colors. And just if you like pink and green, this would be a great little design for you. And then we're going to let that cure. And actually, before I let that cure, let me go ahead and do the other nail. So we're going to again use one of these bigger ones. And we're going to take it off. We're going to stick it in the middle of the nail right here. And we're going to go ahead and just work that down. Work that down. Now, since I didn't cure my rhinestones, as you can see, they're coming off, so I need to replace my rhinestones over there, but it's okay. So let's move this out the way because we don't want anything to fall in there. And then after that, we're going to take our file and we're just going to go and get the access sticker off of the nail. I hope everybody is having a great day. Leave a comment in the description if you want to see something in particular, if you want me to review a product, or just in general, just a nice, great message will be so awesome. So then we're going to take our nail polish again. And we're going to go on the side here. And then I have a little bit on the tip. Right there. And then I'm going to let this dry, guys. I'll be back. We're almost done. Hey guys, so here is the final look of my nails. Now, here is my review on these stickers. I do like the fact how fast, you put them on and they're super easy. And I do like the fact of how intricate the design is. It's very, 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 very pretty. However, the cons, number one, it doesn't fit on the whole nail bed. I had to polish black around the edges where it did not meet. And I don't like the fact that it buckles. I'm not sure if you can see on camera, but it definitely does not feel smooth. In some spots, like right here, it does not feel smooth at all. But overall, it's an okay product. If you want to just go, hurry up, put some quick stickers on, and get up and go, I probably would suggest you use it on your natural nails and not acrylics. But it's totally up to you. I did not get paid to review this product, nor did I get this product for free. I got the product from eBay. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe. Turn on your notifications if you want to get notified as soon as my videos drop. Thank you guys. Have a good one. Bye, pumpkins.